For organizations of any type or size that need to create and manage employee ID cards, help has arrived. HID Global introduces Asure ID7 card personalization software. Making ID cards is now even easier with Asure ID7's intuitive design and production tools. With tab-driven navigation, convenient tools, and flyout control palettes, Asure ID7 is easy to use, even for new users. More than a year of testing and customer feedback went into developing the Asure ID7 software, improving its look, usability, and performance. In fact, everything has been so carefully thought out that Asure ID seems to anticipate what you need to do next. The user interface will seem familiar because its structure is based on the standard Microsoft Office interface. When designing a card template with Asure ID7, the WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get display, helps ensure accurate card design by showing you exactly how these items will look when printed. Adding data fields, barcodes, logos, and employee photos to the card couldn't be easier. Simply insert them on screen to the image of the card. Asure ID7 streamlines the data process, allowing you to customize how your data is entered, filtered, and sorted. Now you can increase your efficiency and reduce time-consuming data entry and reporting processes. Need to know which IDs expire next month? A plain language query finds them in just seconds. Asure ID7 works with its own internal single-table database, and depending on which edition you choose, it can also connect to multiple network databases containing multiple tables. Asure ID7's LiveLink function gives you the flexibility of real-time data exchange. The LiveLink wizard provides a walkthrough for the setup and database connection process. Asure ID7 can even simplify the complex production of smart cards. The iDirector component lets you read, encode, and print smart cards, all in one easy-to-manage operation. At the printer's encoding station, the improved iDirector module can facilitate the reading and writing of data to a smart card through an application wizard, providing configuration descriptions and tips to the user. While the card is still in the encoder, iDirector can deploy multiple applications to pages allocated within that card's memory. For third-party encoding needs, the command line encoding application has been added, which provides nearly limitless encoding options. Using Asure ID7 running reports is simple, utilizing useful features such as automatic loading of your latest report, easy access to frequently used reports via the ribbon menu, save reports with custom settings, make custom reports private. Asure ID7 comes in 4 editions with increasing levels of functionality. So, whether you are making simple photo IDs or highly secure smart cards, Asure ID7 is the ideal choice for your ID card design and production software. Asure ID7 gives you a highly productive interface, simplified database connectivity, customizable data entry, and much more. This is the 3rd generation of the ID software platform from HID, and it's built on the .NET platform for incredible stability. For all the ID cards and secure credentials you design and produce, this is the software you have always wanted. For more information, contact your HID Global representative or visit hidglobal.com/ID software.